Just when it seemed like there was nothing else to live for behind those barbed wire fences, he found purpose and hope in serving others. If you have something to believe in, something to hope for, something to fight for, you'll never struggle with purpose, no matter what your circumstances are. And if you don't, you can be surrounded by opportunity, and you can still miss out on a life worth living. In the 4 years that my grandfather spent in the camps, he got beatings that he didn't deserve. He got opportunities to share bread with those on the verge of starvation. And just when it seemed like there was nothing else to live for behind those barbed wire fences, he found purpose and hope in serving others. If you have something to believe in, something to hope for, something to fight for, you'll never struggle with purpose, no matter what your circumstances are. And if you don't, you can be surrounded by opportunity, and you can still miss out on a life worth living. Let me ask you guys today, do you have something that you're hoping for? Something that you're fighting for? Something that gets you to get up out of bed every morning and go knock on doors or make the phone calls that you need to make? Is it clear? Is it specific? Do you know why you put yourself through all that trouble every single day? Whatever I wanted to do, whatever I put my mind to it, I could do it. That's the way I was raised. That's the mentality that we had. You see, the lesson for us is that we've got to stop looking around at what natural talents, skills, and abilities that everyone else around us has. The opportunities, the time, the resources that everyone else around us has. And we've got to figure out a way how to invest into our time, our talents, our opportunities, the people that we're placed into our circle of influence. See, I'm a big believer in this life, you've got to have a vision of yourself in the future. So that you have something that you're reaching for, you're stretching for, and that by the time you've achieved it, you've become someone entirely different. You've grown mentally, emotionally, you've become stronger, you've dealt with some rejection in your life. And I hate myself because I'm this kid that had grandparents that fought in World War II, survived concentration camps, and then when they got out, they still impacted so many people and did so much with their lives. I'm this kid that was raised with parents that left the Soviet Union, came to the United States without any money in their pocket, without knowing the language, just so they could give us kids a better future. And out here I am, this kid that's supposed to be living out this better future, and I'm absolutely miserable, and I hate myself for it. And then I remember something I learned a long time ago through story time with my dad. That if you have something to believe in, something to hope for, something to fight for, you will never struggle with purpose, no matter what your circumstances.